Alright, here we go. This is T-Mobile iPhone XS Max. As you see, this is the 256 gigabyte model. Let's open this up. This is actually the first time I ever pre-ordered an iPhone in my life. Mostly being an Android user. I have tried the 7 Plus and the iPhone 10, but no longer than 2 weeks. I just couldn't get used to it after using Android for so long. But let's try this. Designed by Apple in California. This appears to be some kind of pamphlets. Hello. Alright, got this little guide here. It's kind of funny. They don't hide the notch in the pamphlet here, but if you look at the box and then any of the advertising, you can almost not tell that there's a notch. I find that interesting. They're still doing these stickers. I wonder if people actually use them. There's some more semi-eject tool. That's cool, I guess. You know, it's good to have. Let's throw those to the side here. And here's the phone. As you can tell, this is the silver, or is it white? I still kind of consider that white. Your mileage may vary. Alright. Got here is a little USB power adapter. We got little AirPods. I guess we'll see. No, not AirPods, the EarPods. Crappy. To me, I don't like them because they're not very comfortable. It's a little charger. And well, there is no adapter in here for 3.5mm headphones. That's kind of unfortunate. Alright. Well, that was it. Let me know if you want to see any more videos. I might even compare it to the Galaxy S9 Plus. You know, let me know what you want. Could even do another shower test. Let me know. Bye.